After World War II, the United States always made the latest innovations. Victory in World War II made the United States the most powerful military country in the world. For this reason, Uncle Sam's country continues to develop their military technology, especially about air defense. The A-10 Thunderbolt I fighter aircraft is a ground attack fighter designed to support troops on the battlefield. This aircraft is known as the Warthog and was first used by the United States Air Force in 1977. Following are the specifications of the A-10 Thunderbolt I aircraft. Specifications of A-10 Thunderbolt II Near Combat Aircraft. Contractor: Republic of Fairchild Co. Serve: usaf. Dimensions: length 16.26 meters, wingspan 17.42 meters, height 4.47 meters, heavy empty weight 11,573 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight 22,950 kilograms. Machine: engine type 2 General Electric TF-34 GE100A turbofan engines. Thrust: 40,000 pounds. Armament: 30mm GAU-8/A gun, up to 16,000 pounds of mixed armament on 8 underwing and 3 underfuselage pylon stations, including 500 pounds MGA-2 and 2,000 pounds MGA-4 series low/high drag bombs, incendiary cluster bombs, combined effects munitions, mine removal munitions, AGM-65 Mavericks, AIM-9 Sidewinder. Power plants: 2 General Electric TF-34 GE100 turbofans. Speed: 450 knots, max 0.75. Range: 2580 miles. The A-10 Thunderbolt I aircraft has the ability to fly low and slow, and is able to destroy large and powerful ground targets using its 30mm cannon. This aircraft is also equipped with a high self-protection system to reduce the risk of target attack. The A-10 Thunderbolt I aircraft is highly effective in supporting troops on the battlefield and remains the United States Air Force's primary choice today.